আসসালামু আলাইকুম, আবারও আসলাম। গুড মর্নিং ডিএক্সএন। এই মুহূর্তে আমরা দেখব, আমরা এর আগে মেক্সিকো দেখছি, পেরু দেখছি, এখন আমরা দেখব আমাদের পাশের দেশ, আমাদের লাভিং কান্ট্রি ইন্ডিয়া চলে আসছে এখানে। এখানে আমাদের তারা আছেন আমাদেরকে হেল্প করার জন্য। তো আমরা এখন দেখব ইন্ডিয়া, ডিএক্সএন ইন্ডিয়া, all leaders they gather already here. You see, Assalamualaikum. DXN India already here. We will go also in India because right now in India the big and largest factory, right? Okay. So very soon, inshallah, we will go there. So here all DXN India star leaders, they are here. You see. Can I get a short introduction from you? Okay. So anyone, please just only say the name, all of the name and status. What's the name?
Atul Shukla, triple diamond.
Triple diamond, Atul Shukla. Okay. And for you?
Arvind Morej, triple diamond.
Wow, great. And you, sir?
Mukesh Verma, Crown Diamond.
Wow, that's great. Crown Diamond, next Crown Ambassador.
Yeah.
And I have also a beautiful madam. Please, your name?
Suman Verma, Crown Diamond.
Oh, Namini. That's great. I'm unmarried and she's also
Five industrial cycling.
Triple Diamond UP.
executive triple diamond. That's great. Yes, sir. And have also a great leader. So what's your name? Punin Sharma. What's your India. And your position? ETD, executive triple diamond. That's great. It's a great inspiration for us. Okay, sir.
इधर देखो
Yeah. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Yeah. And also have a great leader also with me. What's his name, sir?
Gurcharan Singh.
Gurcharan Singh.
Guru.
Yeah. So right now, what's your position?
Crown Ambassador.
Crown Ambassador.
Yeah.
Really? That's
Yeah.
great. Okay. You also? What's your name? Huh? Rajiv sir have also with us. Crown Ambassador. Wow. You ma'am? Oh, Chima ma'am. Okay ma'am. You are?
Crown Ambassador.
That means I am already meet with the Crown Ambassador table.
This is also.
And?
That's also Crown Diamond.
Wow, that's great. And also we are taking preparation to visit the India, the most largest factory. Very soon, inshallah.
Most welcome.
All the best. All Grand Ambassador and great leader here. All star here. Thank you very much. madam. Thank you very much. Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay, let's introduce with Mr. Sir, please. position?
Triple diamond.
Triple diamond. Lots of triple diamond, executive triple diamond and crown ambassador. That's great. And you? Sunit Kumar. What's your position? SSD. Great. I'm also SSD. Then that means he's my Mita. Can we? Okay. I got one, only one. Okay, thank you, sir. And how also?
Hi.
Yeah, fine. You are from India. Which state?
UP near Ayodhya.
Oh,
UP.
Oh, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, that's great. What's your name?
My name Amardeep Manji.
Amardeep Manji.
Manji, yeah.
Oh, your position?
Triple diamond.
Triple diamond. That's great. You?
Mohammad Arif Khan, ESSD.
Arif Khan, ESSD. That's great. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, they all are doing very wonderful business actually. And ইন্ডিয়াতে কিন্তু অসাধারণ বিজনেস করে ওনারা সবাই। May we introduce with you, sir? Hello.
India.
They are from India. Big leader and star leader also.
Triple diamond. Arvind Maurya.
Arvind Maria, triple diamond.
It's Q2 triple diamond.
Executive triple diamond. That's
Husband
great.
and wife.
And oh, she is also executive triple diamond. এই জন্য আসলে বলতেছি যে একটা ফ্যামিলি, one family, one ID, right? One family, one ID, and all over the world. Promote this is okay. So thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you. ওকে ফাইনালি আমরা দেখতে পেলাম আসলে কিভাবে ইন্ডিয়া বিজনেস করছে প্রত্যেকের পজিশন এবং 4 জন টাউন অ্যাম্বাসেডর কিন্তু অলরেডি এখানে আছে। সো আমরা আশা করছি ইনশাল্লাহ আপনারা যারা শুনছেন দেখছেন তারাও প্রোমো করবেন কিভাবে আসলে হওয়া যায়। ওকে টাটা।